Hi, I'm Nigel. I'm a long-time technology geek and I've written best-selling books on things like containers and Kubernetes, and I've got a ton of courses here at Pluralsight. But let me tell you, I am excited to bring you this course, Go Fundamentals. Because you know what? Coding is a massively useful skill, but as well, Go is easily one of the most useful languages you could ever learn. Like, it is powering just about everything these days. Anyway, as you progress through the course, you'll do everything from the, mandatory hello world, but all the way through decision making with conditionals, the basics of functions, working with data using variables and things like slices and maps. And you know what? You'll even learn how to create your own custom data types with structs. Plus, and this is a big one, you'll get your head around concurrent programming with goroutines. So, yeah, a really exciting agenda. And you know what? Whether you've coded in other languages before or you're an utter noob, this course has got so much for you. And then, when you're done, I promise you'll have everything you need to press on at your own pace. And you know what? Maybe even start using Go in some of your own or your work projects. So, join me on this journey as we add programming in Go to your expanding list of skills.